Okay, I think I got something I might be able to work with here. So this is our wheel bearing installation tool that I brought with me. So the spacers for the wheel bearings fit right up in here. So those would be a good pushing tool. I only got one nut though. So what I think I'm gonna do, if I put a stack of spacers here, which is that whole bunch down there, it'll take up the gap on this, and then if I push on this side or that side, it will shove it. Either or, probably tightening up. Yeah, you tighten up the nut right here. You can't pull it through, so it's going to shove it. It'll pull the bearing over. So that'll work. So I need a stack of these spacers right here. Just get a whole big stack of these and stack them up like this. Got them right here. Just like that. And that should do the trick, I would hope. We'll find out. I should be able to get enough torque on that to do it, because that was enough to put the wheel bearings in. That's going to be a nice even pull, so you're not beating on it, so that should help. It's not good for the bearing, but it shouldn't kill it like beating on a big ass hammer would be. I don't really have any way of beating on a hammer right now either, so this method might actually work. So. And the next problem is these don't fit over the bolt. That would be a problem. Okay, we're not using that one. That one works. That one doesn't work. We need non-quality control right now. That doesn't work. Nope. There we go. Nope. 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 Now we gotta find some screwed up ones to use. We're not doing very good here. Oh, there's one. Nope. Nope. Not really. Not quite. Bingo. Bingo. Nope. Nope. Okay, how many do we need here? That should be enough to do what we need to do. Okay, so. Go like that. We got this on this side over here. Long-winded nut. Get some more space so when it goes so far. We found 6 that fit. We went through 15 that didn't fit. Okay. Alright, that turns a nice neat. Now the disadvantage is I did not get the wrench on there before I did that. Yeah, it looks like I got enough room to do it. Yep, it's big enough to work. Okay, I need a wrench for this side. Probably 3/4. Yep. Okay, so we need a dimension from here to here. We'll just go right to that dimension there. We're at 156. It's moving. It's very controllable too, which is nice. We're at 118 already, we're already moved to 30. Okay, so we need to go 50 or so. We went 30 already on that one. Okay, I think I'm going to do kind of more equal, I'm not sure. Give that just a little bit more. We're at 110, where we're at, when I moved to 40. Okay, that's 2/3 away on this side, 1/3 on the other. Once again, Ultima tool comes in handy for more than one thing. I will take it every day. It's kind of a pain to take this long to do it, but it took a lot longer to find a tool. Okay, pull that one to that side, flip sides over. Right there, washer. And that. Okay. $135, I'm gonna go down to 1 inch. 40, yeah, we're just over 1 will be fine. I'm not feeling this one moving yet. Yeah. I think I felt it that time. 84, but I don't think it moved. I think that was just all compression. Let's see, we need to run. One advantage of this, I can measure the overall spread. 455. I think that was the number I needed. It's like the more I needed. Okay. I got an extra 50 in there. Whoop. Too close what you're doing. I just want to measure the case up here. Crossed here. We're 450. I measured across down there, it's 455. So we're good. So we got plenty of room. So it should fit. Okay, so turn that off. Just go and pull this out and do a quick check to see if it'll fit in there. I think we got it handled. We went 50,000 more than we needed. There's a lot of give on this one before it tightened up, so I think it kind of spread the bush bearing out a little bit. It's 5 inches of thread to go across here. When we tighten up the swing arm, it's going to go where it wants to go. I can't control that. Whichever size it wants to take up, it's going to take it. Okay. there. Get the two spacers. Okay, so let's go up here and check to see if it'll fit in the transmission like it's supposed to now. Should fit right in. Let's see, I want to make sure the bolt goes in here first. Center it up. What's my hand doing that? Okay, they're lined up now. Can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so the pistons line up. Doesn't matter what it does as long as it does it when I'm fully assembled. Let's see what we got. Stupid brake lines in the way. Get out of there. Goes right in there like it's supposed to. Okay, we got success. It worked. She slid right in there like it's supposed to. Don't have much clearance. It's a little bit, but not much. Okay, we're pretty close to what we wanted. All right, I'm gonna clean all this mess up so I can get some work done. We'll be back.